Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire. Fifth study vlog. A person is happy not because everything is right in his life. He is happy because his attitude towards everything in his life is right. Starting on this positive quote, I would like to wish everyone a happy good morning. Today I woke up around 6:30 in the morning, and after it I went for a small morning walk. When I came back I did some basic exercise because it helps me to get rid of the shoulder pains, because we all sit for long extended hours to study. And after doing this I also spent some time watching the nature. After completing the walk exercise and I got freshen up, and after it around 8 o'clock I had my breakfast. So here I'm having cornflakes and milk. So I try to eat healthy as much as possible, because it's really important that we have to be healthy. After finishing my breakfast around 8:30 I started my first study slot, and today I'm reading geography and I'm writing notes for components of Indian geography. So this topic is also really important, so I'm just watching the video lectures and writing notes out of it. And mostly I try that in my first study slot I always learn new topics. Mostly I start with that because I feel really fresh and my mind is ready to learn new knowledge. So that's why I start with it, and it really works for me. I really enjoyed this particular chapter because I got to learn a lot about India and what are the structural features are there. And it's around 10:30 and I'll be ending this study session, and in between I took a small break, and here I'm making myself a coffee. I'm not a coffee person, but today I was in the mood to have the coffee, and I learned this new coffee technique, so I'm just sharing with you all. Making it is really simple. We just have to take coffee, sugar, and we need to whisk it with water, and after that we have to add some warm milk into it. And if you guys like chocolates, you can also draw some your own designs on it. Honestly saying, I am a herbal tea lover, but I have a little love for coffee also. So once in a month I also make some beautiful coffee myself, and I have it just for my happiness. After enjoying this small coffee break, around 11 o'clock I started my second study slot, and here I'm continuing with geography only. So this is the chapter resources and related industries. This particular chapter is also very important both for prelims and mains. Lot of prelims oriented questions are also come, that which of the particular resources are located at which place, or arrange those resources in from north to south. So this particular chapter is also very important, and it's also interesting to know about it, because a lot of other allied, like the resources which are present over there. So what are the particular industries located over here? So it's a whole network, and it's really interesting to read about it. Whenever I learn new things or new topics, I always try to write notes, because it actively engages me in the learning process, and also it helps me to retain things for a much longer period of time. And when I open things to revise, it's also easy for me to revise things which I have written in my own handwriting and my language. It is around 1 o'clock and I'll be ending this study slot. I had my lunch, and after it around 1:30 I started my third study slot, and here I am taking Indian art and culture, and I am reading about UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In earlier two study slots, I already watched some video and make notes out of it. So I thought to just take a break from that particular thing, and that's why I chose a book. And here I'm reading topics out of it. I really like this particular book, Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania. This book is really good. All the points are, all the topics are given in point-wise manner, and important terms and things are also highlighted with red color. And a lot of colors are also used, so things are distinguished from one another. So I don't feel any need to make note out of this. This book is really good, and we just have to read it, and no need to make notes out of it. It's almost around 3:30 and I ended this particular study slot, and I just took a small 10 minutes break, and I'm sitting near my window and watching the green leaves, the new leaves outside. And after completing this particular break around 3:45, I started my next study slot around 3:45, and here I am again watching video lectures and writing notes for Indian monsoons. So here I am making notes for my static portion, but it's also very important and necessary that we keep on linking this particular static portion with the dynamic portion which comes in the current affairs. Either it's the magazine or the daily current affairs in the newspaper. So it's important that we link particular these static and dynamic portions. Watching video lectures and making notes out of it, I know it's a lengthy process, but at the end when we have the written notes and revising notes, this particular notes is really easy, and it saves a lot of time while doing the revision, so it's very helpful. Now it's almost around 5:30 and I ended the particular study slot, and here I took a small break and I'm making myself some bookmarks. So I'm trying to make bookmarks which have some motivational quotes on it, and I also like to draw things, so here I'm making bookmarks for myself. Whenever I take a study break and if I'm making something creative, I ensure that the particular thing which I'm making for myself is also useful ahead in my learning or my studies. Earlier I made a small paper globe, and it was very useful for me to understand geography concepts. So if you guys haven't watched it, then the link is given in the description box. It is around 6:15 in the evening, and I have started my 5th study slot, and I am practicing some of the previous year questions from this particular book. This book contains past 26 years of previous year questions, both for paper 1 and paper 2 for prelims. Link for this particular book is given in the description box. If you guys don't know, then you guys can go and check it out. And I'm practicing the questions for ancient India. It's very important that we practice previous year questions, because it gives us an idea that how UPSC is going to ask questions in prelims, but it also helps us to get a new perspective when we are learning new things, because whenever we'll be reading some paragraphs or some new topic, we'll immediately get to know that okay, from this particular portion some prelim based questions can be formed, and it will be easier for us to identify those particular questions. Around 8:30 I finished my dinner, and around 9 o'clock I started my 6th study slot. It is the last study slot of the day, and here I am watching the current affairs video online. Nowadays there are a lot of current affair videos online, so mostly I prefer to watch the online video lecture, and after it I follow Vision IS current affair magazines to read the current affairs. Earlier I used to write a lot of notes from this particular video lectures, but I found it's a waste of time, and now I just write those particular notes for which I found something the language in the current affair magazine is a little bit tough for me, so those only I write in my own language from this particular video lectures. This particular strategy, that reading current affairs from the magazine, really worked for me, and it also saved a lot of my time which I can utilize in writing my mains answer or to revise things. So it really worked for me, but it can vary from person to person, and you can choose the particular method which you really liked. Around 11 o'clock I ended the 6th study slot, and today's day was really productive. I studied around 12 hours and it's really good, and this motivated me for next day that I'm going to do much better. If you guys like this particular video, then give a thumbs up and also share your valuable views in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel, then subscribe it, and thank you guys for watching my videos.